pizza specially for kids. So first ingredient you will need pizza dough, tomato sauce, mushroom, pickle, oregano, bell pepper and some chicken. So for chicken I will add some oil. I will add some chicken. So I'm gonna add some zira, some Korean powder. So now I'm gonna add some garlic paste. So I'm gonna add some salt to your tea. I'm gonna add some soya sauce. So now I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. Last but not the least ingredient, tomato ketchup. So I need to mix it evenly. So now you need to keep stirring it. Now I'm gonna add some water and we will let it cook for a few minutes. So our chicken is almost ready now. So now I'm gonna cut the red bell pepper. So first you need to cut the red pepper into 3 pieces like this. Now you need to cut it into little pieces like this. You need to do it slowly so you don't cut your fingers. So for this part you actually don't need to cut it like this. You actually need to do it like this and lay it down and cut it like this. So you need to do the exactly same thing. So we are going to make 2 pizzas. This one will be a cheese lover with chicken and this one will be specially for kids a chicken pizza. So first we will add tomato sauce. So now you need to spread tomato sauce. I'm using a ready-made pizza dough. If you want to make dough at home, you can do that. But this time I'm using ready-made pizza dough from store. Now I'm going to add mozzarella. So now we are going to add bell peppers. now I'm gonna add some pickles. And now I'm gonna add some mushrooms. So now we are going to add some fried chicken to our pizza. So now we are going to sprinkle some oregano on top. So now we are gonna cook it for 23 minutes. Our yummy delicious pizza for my friends is ready to eat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon too.